feel baffled that I've won something of this magnitude in my life. I've never won anything like this before, and it means a great deal to me. It means a great deal to my employer and my family as well. I think we should change people's perceptions on apprenticeships because they're made out to be a little bit gritty, not as good as university, but that is no longer the case, and I think that today's apprentices are showing that. If you were considering an apprenticeship, I would say 100% do it, because it just could be the best thing you've ever done. I'm really proud of how far I've come in the small space of time that I've been an apprentice. Every day I'm learning something new, and every day I seem to be making myself proud rather than other people, which is what I'm trying to do. I think people should vote for me because I can show people that you don't have to be on a massively high apprenticeship to achieve something good.